Stay strapped or get clapped. Those are words to live by. Both the Black Ember TKX Sling as well as the Pioneer Panda Pack have been members of the 11 since the very beginning. You have one of my favorite personal item backpacks of all time, so attractive to look at, beautiful, luxurious, amazing materials. Then you have one of my favorite pocket dump slings, the TKX Sling. It's got an accordion internal layout, and it's the perfect kind of organization and this minimal techie kind of sling to wear when you just want to get some of that bulk out of your pockets. But they both had some inherent flaws. The first one comes with the TKX Sling. I really did not like the included strap that came with it. It's super thin, it dug into my shoulders and neck. It does have this quick adjustment point and the little G-hook that's metal, and these little gated clips at the end, so it's not horrible, but I just think that it left a lot to be desired as far as its width, its detachability more easily, it doesn't really conform to your body when you're walking, and it kind of dug into your neck and shoulder. So I really wanted an upgrade there. Then for the Pioneer Panda Pack, it never came with a sternum strap. And for travel bags, I always prefer to have a sternum strap. So I needed to find a way to improve both of these things. And I found some aftermarket straps that I think are a really good fit. First of all, I got this Tom Bin aftermarket strap. It was really cheap on Tom Bin. It has these nice little carabiners that are actually on one of those systems where it rotates, so it works really well when it comes to conforming to your body. It's wider strap, so it's super comfortable against your neck and shoulder. It's just as adjustable, and it looks like it fits in overall with this bag. So I love the way it moves so freely with your body when you're walking, and it keeps this kind of tucked to your body. You can still get everything inside. And it's really easy to detach if you want to detach the carabiner as well. Get access to your phone with the little flap, get to the little accordion organization, zip it up, and it looks really natural, and it's just an overall upgrade to this awesome little sling. Then as far as the Pioneer Panda Pack, I searched high and low. Because the carry straps don't have any sort of rail system or existing sternum strap structure, so I had to find something that would work just on its own. And I found these awesome little straps from Timbuk2, where they just button around either strap, and it's like the perfect width, where when it's clipped down, it's nice and tight, it holds tightly. You have this little elastic adjustment point that gives a little bit of give for you. Really nice little clip, nice metal little clasps. Everything looks like it fits into the aesthetic of the Pioneer bag. It fits into the overall motif of this bag. It looks professional, it looks stylish, and it solves that one little gripe I always have with the Panda Pack that didn't have a sternum strap. Both of these solutions are super affordable. The Timbuk2 one was like $7, and I think the Tom Bin was like under $10 too, but no more than 20 at most. So these are both really affordable solutions to upgrade your bags, and you can apply them to other bags as well that are in your collection. And if you see, with the Panda Pack, the strap is so nice, it clips in nicely, and because it's kind of buttoned on there, you can slide it up and down exactly where you need it to be, tighten it down, and it holds snugly, and it looks stylish and like it fits in with the overall aesthetics of the Pioneer Panda Pack. So a really great option if you're looking for it. So I'll leave links in the description below to both of these straps, the replacement sternum strap from Timbuk2 for the Pioneer Panda Pack, as well as the Tom Bin carry strap as a replacement for the Black Ember TKX Sling existing strap. These are both upgrades. They make me love two members of the 11 even more, and I highly suggest you pick them up if you own either of these bags. Thank you so much for watching and going on this journey with me, and I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to go over this real quickly because I found these extremely useful. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, and watching in general, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Take care.